Okay, good evening, everyone. Welcome to another Wednesday night Sequoia Enterprise Solutions. Hope you guys have a good week this week. Man, I cannot believe it. You bring your eye. August is by the end. It's coming to an end, and Labor Day is around the corner. So 2025 passed by very, very quickly. So the questions to everybody is that, hey, how's your life so far? Okay, so as we already know, um, many of us have your own website, and many of you have the experience of submitting scenario form to us. So in the old days, it has been we have been communicating through email, but that is not the most efficient way to do it because a lot of the email we got lost in the transactions, so on and so forth. So again, we decided to use this new system called TitanFile. TitanFile is a third-party software. We do not own it; we just use it. Okay. However, we tested this software for the last 3 or 4 months and found out that it is to us, it is the most suitable software out there for communication for our company. So we decided to use it. So here, it does not matter what it is. When you submit a scenario form to us, when we require documentation from now on, you will realize that we will give you a link for upload documentations. So the link is here. This is the link. It will go into every single email and ask you to upload documentation, regardless it's a second mortgage or investment property or the wellness program. It really doesn't matter. Doesn't matter what it is. As long as you need to upload documentation from now on, you need to upload to the scenario to the Titan file. Titan file. So once you upload, the way to do it is very simple. Um, The way to do it is very simple. In general, when you receive an email from us, we will ask you for a list of documentation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever that might be. So now, most likely, the client will start uploading the document to this portal. So let me do a demonstration. For example, this guy, now here you put on the client's name, okay, not your name, client's name, okay, client's email. And I here would just say, if you don't mind, please put something reference to that particular particular loan. For example, the property address or the company name, whatever that might be. Okay. If you don't do it, it's okay. We will still able to find it just by searching the database. We will still find it. But if you can help us out, that will actually help us tremendously, which I'm going to show you why. So here I was just saying that this is a test case. Okay. So now here is where you upload all the documentations. So now for um for this demonstration purpose, I upload the following files to this what we call a channel. So now you have files, you just drop it in and you say send file, and you will receive a success message, which means that, okay, now the file is uploaded to our backend system into the TitanFile. So now what do you see at this point? If you're just the owner or the agent, you do not see anything yet. But let me show you what do we see in our back office. So if we go to our back office, now you see this is something that we just created. Okay, we just created right here. This is the test. So if we click on it, now we see that the message right here saying that this is a test case. Now we have a whole bunch of file right here. So now, right here, we are going to add whoever that's associated with this particular um um this particular file. Okay, so here, for example, we're gonna add George to it. Okay, so we're gonna add George. Uh, Okay, so we're going to add George. Okay, I'm going to assign a role to him. And let's say the loan officer, it's Becky. Okay, now we put Becky on it. So now Becky will receive the message also. So now you can see in this particular channel, you will have everybody that associated with this with this particular file are all added to this channel. Okay, so now we can start communicating within the TitanFile. Now, one thing that we require you as the agent to do. Now, you might ask, hey, we got 23%, 46%. How do I get this? We actually have never actually really enforced it. We have been telling people that, hey, you need to um, help us to collect the documentation, review the documentation, so on and so forth. But we never really enforce it just because um, so far we still have the manpower to do it. But however, let me show you this. We are getting to a point where we have so many files. Look at this. This is all the files that we have that are currently working in the back office. You see? So these are all the different files that we're working on. So we get to a point where we really need your help. That's how you earn your 46% commission. Okay? You look at this. It just keep going and going and going. I think we have over, I don't know how many files we have. I think we have close to 70 files that we are processing as we speak. So one thing that you need to do as an agent, you will receive an email once we add you to it. So you will receive an email and you click on the email and it will bring you to this channel right here. You see exactly what I'm seeing right here. So we rely on you to review the document. So for example, you look at this 4 document that comes up that uploaded. Do you have any idea what they are just by looking at the names? You have no idea. We don't have any idea neither. Okay, so that is what we're facing every day. So what happened is that we have to go into every single one of these files to find out what it is and to change the name to make it make sense to our processing team. So, for example, we look at this one right here, this long thing right here. What is this? Now, if we click on it, it will be something like this. Okay? Now, let me ask you this. Besides of the file name, by looking at this, can anybody tell me what's wrong with this piece of document? Obviously, I cannot hear you. I cannot see you. I'm not sure if you're paying attention, but let me show you what happened, right? By looking at this, I know this looks like a debt schedule, but I don't have the date. When is this? Is it up to date? 2 months ago? Last year? I don't know. So that's the first thing. The second thing that I don't know is that the second thing that's wrong with this one is that this entire file is cut off. You see, you have the interest rate right here, fixed or variable. Then what is the next field right here? M. Looks like it's an M. M what? So my gut feeling is monthly payment, but it's cut out. I don't know what that is, right? So a lot of the information is not complete. So in this case, our processing team, what we have to do is that we need to do 2 things. Number one, we need to change this file name to something that make more sense. So how do we do that? We go to File, or you can go to File. Look at this file right here. This is the one, and I do a pull-down menu, and I say rename. So now right here, I'm going to give a name that makes sense. It's called debt schedule. Okay, 2025 year to date. Debt schedule. Okay. So now this file's the name changed. Now we know what it is. The second thing that we need to do, because what did I do? What did I just show you? I show you that this thing is not complete. We cannot use it. So what I would do is, or our processor need to do is saying to talk to the client saying that Mr. Wu, Please upload a completed version of the debt schedule. So I need to request a complete file. So now you can see, even though the client upload documentation to us, that's not the end of it. We need to spend time for every single documentations to verify what is it, right? So now I send out. Now then everybody on this channel will receive that email. Okay. Now, so that is one file. Now, what about the other two? Let's do another example. So let's look at this one right here. What is this? Preview. So now I see this is a debt schedule, no debt. So now I will replace this as debt schedule. Now, obviously, when I just do a demo, I just upload some sort of files. Okay, so again, all these files just examples. So now in here, I need to rename it as debt schedule. Okay, and let's look at this one. What is this? So now this looks like it's a personal financial statement. All right. So now I have to come in here and rename it to PFS, personal financial statement. So now, as you can see, we spend a lot of time to, this is what we call the processing, right? We spend a lot of time to review the documentations, to make it correct. Then we will package it, then send it to the lender. So what we need you to do from this point on as a loan consultant is that when you upload documentations like this, we need you to review the documentations, change the name if you have to. And if something that does not work, for example, like this one right here, cost of 5504, but what is it? There's no preview, meaning that this format does not work. So it looks like this is Mac format. Somehow, somewhat, it doesn't work. So in this case, then we will ask the client again, this file does not work. Please help us to, please give us a format that is readable. So as you can see, so those are all, we spend a lot of time, the processing team spend a lot of time on dealing with little things like this. Now you think the 4 files right here, this is just for one file. It's not complete yet, but let me show you. This guy right here, 11 files, 9, 6. This one right here, 43 files. This one right here, 40 files, 38, 27, 63, 58, 36, 42. You got the idea. So that is why we saying that, hey, when you just throw a deal to us, we can get it done. We pay you 23% referral fees. But if you really wants to help us out, we double your commission. Now, again, in the past, we never really enforce this. Now we have a new system. Now we rely on you to help us to review the documentations, to help us to correct it. Now, and another thing that we need you to do is to go by the list. We will send you a list of whatever we need. So when you come into here, and if these documentations are not what we ask for or does not match the list, then you can help us to right here in this channel, just talk to the client. Mr. Wu, the following documentation still missing. Please provide more documentations to us. Okay. So when you help us out, it makes it makes a lot more efficient. So it freed up a lot of time for the processing team to close deal much faster. Now, of course, if you don't want to do it, absolutely fine. You just let us know that, hey, I don't have time to do this. Go ahead and take care of the whole thing. And then you will still get the referral fee. But we have to assign someone else to do this work follow up. Okay. Does it make sense? So again, this is the TitanFile. So from this point on, we are going to use this software heavily. It's much efficient. Now you know exactly what happened for every single file. where we at, the conversation between the client and the loan officer, and sometimes with the bank, so on and so forth. So you know exactly where we are and you have no guess. So you don't have to ask your leaders or you don't have to ask your sponsors what's going on. You don't have to, puzzle. Keep sending messages to us. So once you get into the TitanFile, you have everything in front of you and you can check it out anytime. So once we send it to you, you will have, when you get into your account, this account is free. Once you get into your account, all the channel that belongs to you will list there. Those are all the files that you submitted into us. Now, in some cases, let's say you want us to add another person to this channel. For example, let's say I don't have time to deal with it, but I want to ask my sponsor or my team lead to help me to follow up. No problem. As long as you give us the authorization, then we will add somebody to it. Now, we cannot just add anybody to any channel because, again, it has the client's information, so on and so forth. So we have a lot of team lead. They want to do things. They come up to us saying, hey, Alan, can you add me to all my team members' file? We would love to, but unfortunately, we cannot, right? So we have to get authorization from the file owner, which is the loan consultant, to get their agreement before we can add anybody to any channels. But if they agree to it, we will add you to it and you can help us to follow up as well. Okay. So basically today, that's all we need to talk about. That's not a long conversation. It's not a long training. So any questions from this point on? Comments? Suggestions? We got 2 person in the chat box. Hello, everyone. Emily. Okay. So again, as you can see, we are very busy in the back office. We are processing a lot of deals, and they are coming more and more and more. More and more deals are coming in. This is a good thing. The company is growing. Definitely, people sees our value. But at the end of the day, ask yourself, what can you do? So, anything else? Any questions, comments? If not, then we can actually call it a day a little bit early today. All right, guys. Okay. Well, if nothing else, then I see you next Wednesday night. Good night, everyone.